Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Mickey Mouse cake. Nobody does instant ramen as good as, I feel like I'm a magician. I would just be very worried for my health. Hello! This is the most anticipated video of the season, highly requested. And you know what? I'm not sorry it took so long. I was just trying to build up the excitement around it. Konbini Christmas. Konbini means convenience store. So in Japan, we call convenience stores konbini. And then in today's video, we are going to 7-Eleven to do one of my seasonal snack hauls. But I did it a little bit differently this time. Normally in these videos, I have already gone to 7-Eleven and then I just like pick out some things. But I've noticed that it's normally like sweets and I wanted to have a little more variety. So what I have done is I went to the 7-Eleven Japan Instagram account and I decided to get things that they've recently posted about, like new items. So I've got some ramen on the table, I've got a sandwich. The rest of it is mostly sweets, but with the holidays and a holiday Christmas haul, I feel like that's to be expected. I'm gonna take you guys on the little hunt with me and we're gonna try the snacks, of course, that's why you guys are here. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Happy holidays, I'm so glad you're here. Guys, this fit, I feel like I need, this is an ugly sweater. I thrifted it in Raleigh, North Carolina. I went to school there, go pack. It has shoulder pads and then a vest I had to put on top of it. It's real cute. I found these in our storage and I mean, I had to put it in this video. 7-Eleven Japan actually has an Instagram account and one of you messaged me and you were like, hey, did you know that they follow you? And you know what? No. You know what, 7-Eleven Japan? You could at least like my photos back. We could create good things together. I ordered a Christmas cake from 7-Eleven, so if you want to see that video, I'll link it here. But the video of me actually trying it for the first time will be filmed tomorrow on Christmas Eve when I can actually pick it up. So we're not done with Christmas content on my page. Also, if you didn't know this, 7-Eleven here delivers, so you can actually order food and have it delivered to you. And the little delivery cars are super, super cute. I'm already distracted. I found the first one that I'm looking for. Twisted wheat snacks with pollock roe and mayonnaise flavor. Got one down, a few more to find. Next one is the pork ham, cream cheese sauce, and avocado. These are a bunch of the new cakes that they have in. Winnie the Pooh is maple sauce and custard. Piglet is strawberry and chocolate. Mickey Mouse is berries and cheese. And I kind of want to, I'm gonna get this one. Christmas meals that you can get. Pasta soup with shrimp, spinach, and tomato. A shrimp gratin with white sauce. And then they have a bunch of different cakes too. That was mostly a success. I'm gonna have to go to another 7-Eleven to see if I can't find the ramen that I'm looking for. That is the one thing I think people don't know, like before coming here, visiting or moving. Not all 7-Elevens are exactly the same. Some of them carry things that other 7-Elevens don't. I'm gonna go try another location. Location number 2, I found the green tea jelly and it looks just like it does on Instagram. This is a Christmas Coke with a beautiful little surprise. A lot of you know what this is, but for those of you that don't, stay tuned. Now I'm on my way to 7-Eleven number 3. I'm still looking for the special ramen and I feel like I'm gonna keep driving around until I find a store that has it. This Christmas tree is so cute. Guys, I found it. That was worth the 3rd trip. I am not playing around. I am on my way to my 4th 7-Eleven. This place, the last one I was at, they did not get the fried crab cheese things in. And now I think because I cannot find it at any of the stores, I am going now to my 4th store. I do this for you guys, but mostly for me. Zoom in across the river. I actually am really enjoying this challenge instead of like picking my own food, like the Instagram account picking it. So if you guys are enjoying this, please let me know in the comments. I mean, I'm having a good time, which is honestly what is all that matters. Pretty freaking bummed. It was sold out of the last store. I want to just get this video filmed, so let's go home and start trying everything. I'll just try to find the crab cheese thing another time, and I'll post about it on my Instagram or in a future video. But you know, if you pray to something, pray for me. The very first thing I am going to try is the instant ramen. 7-Eleven will actually partner with small businesses like ramen shops and udon shops, and they will make an instant ramen collaboration. So this is also a collaboration one. It's Hakata style ramen, which is like tonkatsu, like pork style ramen, but it's also hot pot style. So I'm interested to see what this turns into. Rookie move, I took the whole top off. As you can see, I don't eat instant ramen very often, so I'm not a professional. So for my professional ramen eaters, please don't come after me. Dried vegetables, more veggies. Ooh, this is like a miso paste. So this is gonna take a few minutes. Let's move on and enjoy the other items of food. Nana Chiki is 7-Eleven fried chicken. I am easily amused by the small things in life, especially good packaging. And one thing Japan does really well is clever packaging. It's folded up in a bag like this when they give it to you, but you just pull it like this. Tell me that's not satisfying. It looks really amazing. I would never be caught dead getting meat like this somewhere at home, like a convenience store. I would just be very worried for my health. This is like real chicken. This isn't imitation. This is a real piece of chicken. Do not be scared of the chicken from 7-Eleven because it's so good. Amazing. The only thing I know what to compare this to, like the seasoning, is it's not the same. And maybe it's just been a long time since I've tried it, but Chick-fil-A chicken, please tell me you know what I'm talking about. We're gonna let this sit while I try a sandwich. We love clever packaging. Pork, ham, cream cheese sauce, and avocado sandwich. You can see the green sauce is the avocado sauce. It looks like there's a lot of cream cheese. It says raw ham, but basically what that means is prosciutto. Let's try it. Prosciutto, but it has a smokiness to it. I personally don't like smokiness flavors, so it's not for me. However, it's good. I thought that there'd be a lot more cream cheese to it. There's not. And then you can't taste the avocado at all. Let's move on to the next one. This is meh. Look at how good this looks. I think the noodles are still cooking just a little bit, but the chilies, wow. I'm gonna show you guys the Christmas Cokes that are in Japan right now, and I'm pretty sure you guys can get these in other places around the world, but not where I'm from in the United States. Like, I had never seen these before. For those of you that have watched my other videos, just pretend like you've never seen this before. I have to make videos assuming that nobody has seen my videos before. Over here by the wreath, you're going to pull this tab. Basically, you're just taking the label off. Then you'll see this little tabaroo, and by the way, this side just has green Coke bottles on it. Now for the magic trick. San, ni, ichi. It's a Christmas bow. It's a Christmas bow. It smells delicious. I'm curious to know if it will be spicy at all. Fun fact, while you're eating noodles in Japan, don't bite your noodles. You're supposed to slurp them up. So I try to grab like smaller portions, and you just keep slurping until they're all in your mouth. I can't remember why you're not supposed to, so if anybody can remember, if anyone can remember why you're not supposed to bite your noodles, leave a comment about it. You want your spoon to kind of be under your noodles, so if anything falls, they fall into the spoon. The noodles are perfectly al dente. They're still kind of, you know when they're still chewy? I swear, nobody does instant ramen as good as Japan does. It tastes like really high quality stuff that you can get at a restaurant for even less of a fraction of a price. 300-400 yen, which is slightly less than if you were to go to a restaurant. The meat's a little on the chewy side. I don't like that. I'm gonna eat it anyway. That's the hottest pepper I've had in Japan, other than the one. It's getting hotter. Anybody who is a foreigner knows you cannot get like really hot, spicy like jalapenos or anything here. I'm really glad that that is in here. Twisted wheat snacks, spicy pollock roe, and mayonnaise flavored crisps.
You can smell it.
They smell like they're gonna be cheesy. Yeah, they smell like mayonnaise. How did they do that? Another fun fact, in Japan, they actually have really strict rules and laws on advertising, which is not the case where I come from. So what you see on the outside, size-wise, has to be exactly what is going to be on the inside. Otherwise, it will state on the packaging that it might have been enlarged for a certain reason. So anytime you're in Japan, whatever you see on the outside of the packaging will be what is on the inside, like size and everything. Watch this. It's literally the same. Companies can get fined, like it's literally against the law to false advertise your products to the public. Fish, eggs, and mayonnaise. My dog just scared me. It tastes like a bugle. You know the little things that you put on your fingers? Tastes like a bugle. Like fish or mayonnaise to me. Actually, when I breathe out, it tastes like mayonnaise. But I would not have picked them out on my own. So, bravo 7-Eleven Instagram. The next category are drinks. So this was one that I saw on the 7-Eleven Instagram account. And then these two are just seasonal Starbucks drinks. This is a triple chocolate latte. It also comes in a purple one. So it looks like this, but purple. I don't know why they changed the packaging. And then this is a caramel macchiato. The straw looks like this, and you just pull it open so it becomes a normal size. I've had this before, so let's pretend like I haven't. Creamy chocolate pudding with a very hint of coffee. They really don't put a lot of coffee in their coffee drinks. They're more like sugar and milk, which of course is why I like it. This is the color. So like, honestly, it just looks like chocolate milk. Caramel macchiato. I have not had this one yet. I'm gonna pour it in the glass because I want to know the color of it too. Oh, the smell is very strong, like caramel. I love caramel. I don't know how to describe it other than a creamy caramel macchiato. Like, it lived up to its name. But the last one is one that I found on their Instagram account. Always has like little picture directions on there, so if you're ever confused, you can just, it pops. I feel like whenever I open Japanese things, I feel like I'm a magician. Like, everything's a magic trick. Thick chocolate pudding latte. It's like a rich chocolate pudding sweet drink that looks like it's just a drink. Please try to taste the gooey texture. I'm so intrigued. I also took like a little video close-up of it so you can see. It is like the liquid line, but if I turn it like this, it doesn't move. There's like a little photo of pudding on the top. I'm pretty sure I don't need this cup and that the straw is how I should be trying it. Am I supposed to shake this? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? So stupid. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why? Okay, let's just... Y'all, they're selling a latte. 7-Eleven is essentially selling pudding with a straw and disguising it as a latte. I think it's genius, because if I was on the go and I wanted pudding, I don't have time to eat it with a spoon. I don't have time for that. Give me a straw and I will slurp my pudding. That is so smart. This is what the top looks like. It has jelly, whipped cream. It looks like caramel, but I honestly am not sure. And mochi. Dig in there, get some of the pudding and jelly. Wow. That's a lot of strong flavors I was not expecting. It tastes like green tea, but it's not strong. And then the bottom, it looks like a pudding. I think it's like sweet potato on top or something. Yeah, it's kind of like a salted caramel. Holy crap. I think what shocked me was the saltiness. Milk, tea with gelatin, a root vegetable of some kind, whipped cream, mochi. This is awesome. Here's the Disney Mickey Mouse cake with all of its glory. You can kind of see it's like a jelly type of glaze over it. That's the inside. So it's like a whipped cream, like flavored whipped cream, and then like a little cake in the center. Ooh, raspberry. 100% like a wild berry. It says berries and cheese. So the berries is going to be like the wild berry, raspberry, blackberry, like gelatin glaze. And then the cheese is kind of this cheesecake whipped cream. It's really, really light and fluffy. And it kind of just feels like you're eating a cloud. And then in the center is like this crunchy cake situation that's delicious. Thank you guys for watching my very first Konbini Christmas. I love making these little food haul vlogs for you guys and trying all of the new seasonal food, seeing what's exciting at the store, and I hope you guys learned a few things along the way. Make sure you're subscribed and I'll see you guys in next video. Ciao, mata!